Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. This is AB Casino, partner with More Tips Tech. If you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, join the family, turn on your bell notifications so you will always get updates anytime or any day I dropped a new video. So guys, today we are going to be looking onto winning color. The last time we discussed more about rainbow and high and low. So for today we're going to be looking on on winning color strategy. So before we go guys, please note that my videos, my content here on this channel are always meant for educational purposes. All right, so let's go guys. So please note, I always say one thing about this for Nigeria casino system, which some people do argue with me. I says anytime you know that you want to come up to the system, please make sure that you always have a good and solid reliable pattern before you even think of coming to the system, because you see this system you're seeing here are not playing, understand? So they expected you before you come up to the system, you should have a reliable and strong pattern that can strike them and that can at least get you a good result that you're looking for. Understand? This is our first win. So we go again. Okay, we go again. I always say one thing, please note, always make use of a good pattern so you will always be guided. And again, for those who has my rainbow pattern which I gave out the last time, please note there is an updation on it right now. You can always come for it. There's an updation on it and you can always come for it, so you always be guided. Okay, don't say I didn't say it too, because everything requires update. You understand? This winning call I'm bringing up also, I've dropped it sometimes before. This is updated one, so for those who has the old one can also quickly come for it, so you won't be left out. You understand? So that's just something about all the old thing. All right guys, so we lost this, fine, no problem. So there's something about this winning color. It has a very good odds. The odds are amazing, so reason why I'll be able to get my money very easy. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to bet on that same color. I'm going to bet on that same color. I'm going to make it twice. Oh, I wanted to double it. So okay, okay, no need of doubling. I'm still going to get back my money. No need of doubling it because it has a good odd already. So like I always say, make sure you have a very good pattern because it will always help you. And again, something about my lesson is when you get to my lesson, you get to know when to play, you get to know what to play, and you get to know how to play it. You understand? So you won't be at so you always be guided. So you can see we get back our money with interest. You understand? So another thing I want to bring up to you guys is my high and low is kind of not working at the moment. I won't say it's not working, but it's not that active at the moment. Please, anyone who is using it for now should stop using it unless you want to base it on a full martingale process, so you can still be able to be making one or two profits on it. Understand? So let's see, maybe we can still have one or two games so we can play. Let me see. Now let me see the time. I don't want to stay long on the system. I just want to drop. I just want to make it brief. Okay, this is 2 minutes. So let's just make it 5 minutes and we're out of the system. Understand? So let's see. All right. Okay, someone discussed about this 49 with me. It says, why is it that 49 always came up anytime anytime they wants to maybe spoil your game? That is when this 49 always came up. But I said one thing, which is, you see this 49 rating, though it will always pop up fine because it's part of the system game. It always pop up. They make use of this 49 to rearrange result. They make you to rearrange result. There are some results normally this 49 it's supposed to come out in a, there's a specific color it's supposed to come out with, but now that it has came out with 49, so it's as take back one color to represent the color, understand? So normally it might supposed to be to be blue, but now that it has came out, now the blue happens to come out one. So I always say one thing, is this something about this 49? It's just that whenever you see it coming online, it came up, it shows somebody's result, just put it wasn't the color you played that it came to represent, so you won't fall victims of you know their whole strategies, because they also have their own strategies they make use of. Understand? So let's go again. Okay, let's go for two colors again. I know someone is still going to ask me that why am I going for two colors. But I have my reasons for going for two colors. Don't worry. Yes, I have my reason for going for two colors. Just watch. Okay. Okay. All right. Amazing. So let's go again. Let's see. I said I'm going to stop 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes already. So let me just call it a day while I continue. So if you want mentoring, or let me say giving you signals for you to play, or let me say and the lecturing also. So if you want lecturing, giving signals, or mentoring about this for Nigeria system, you can always reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I will attend to you. And also I also have a Telegram channel you can join. And my Telegram handle is also there. I will be leaving every single details of mine in my description down below. So stay tuned, guys, and happy new year. Then wish you more money, more income, and more blessings in this new year. All right, so see you guys. Stay tuned on my next video. God bless. Bye.